Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure your Dream11 account is fully ready, logged in, KYC cleared if necessary, and funds available. Once done, locate your private discount pass in the app wallet or note the code you received. Open the match lobby and pick the contest you intend to enter. Do this now so you don't lose time. While selecting players, keep the contest entry fee visible because you'll need that exact amount to apply the pass during checkout. Once you tap Join or Pay, you land on the checkout screen showing entry fee and available discounts. You should now select Apply Pass or type the private pass code precisely. Capitalization matters. The app recalculates the payable amount instantly, so verify the discount value and new total. If the pass covers only part of the fee, prepare your payment method for the balance. Make sure to choose the correct wallet or card, and confirm the payment to lock your entry into the contest. After payment, you'll immediately see an entry confirmation. Check your team slot, contest ticket, and transaction receipt. If the private discount pass did not apply, first retry entering the code and confirm the pass has not expired or exceeded its usage limit. Once done, make sure your app is updated and your internet connection is stable before another attempt. If problems persist, contact Dream11 support with the pass ID, order details, and a
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.